Padmapriya from Rajlakshmi Engineering College, Chennai. Currently doing my third year in Information Technology. This video is going to be on Windows Azure. Windows Azure is a cloud service operating system that serves on development, web hosting and web services environment for the Windows Azure platform. To know more about Windows Azure, first let me explain what cloud computing is. Cloud computing is used for quick delivery of computer resources. It provides us with the services, namely infrastructure as service, software as service and platform as service. To put it in simpler term, let me cite an example. If we hire a community hall for a particular period of time, we get all the hall, interiors and the electricity for the time being. Here we can compare hall to the platform as service, electricity to the software as service and infrastructure to the interiors. I hope this would have given an introduction to the cloud computing. Now back to Azure. Windows Azure is a flexible platform that supports and integrates multiple languages with the existing on-premise environment. If a web developer has to develop an application on Azure, he can use the already existing Visual Studio expertise. In addition to this, Azure also supports multiple standards and protocols like REST, SOAP, PHP and XML. Now let me tell you some of the features of Azure. Azure has the ability to run ASP.NET and .NET Core on the cloud. The web portal helps you for the deploy, develop and scale and upgrade the web application on the internet to Microsoft data centers. The simple REST interface allows you for the easy access to the data. When coming to the security, Windows Azure has the triple replication and the authenticator, which proves you the safety of the data on the cloud. Windows Azure also provides you with the complete offline environment for both the computation and the storage of data. It also provides you with the complete command line tool environment. Now let me tell you some of the prerequisites of Windows Azure. Windows Azure needs Windows Vista Service Pack 1 when installing on Vista, .NET 3.5 Service Pack 1, Windows SQL Server 2005 or Windows SQL Server 2008, Internet Information Service with ASP.NET and Windows Communication Foundation HTTP activation, and finally Windows PowerShell, which is optional. Hope this video would have given a brief introduction to Windows Azure. For more information, log on to www.microsoft.com/azure. Thank you.